Hey guys, it's your boy JC and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's vlog guys, we're actually gonna go to DFO South Wharf. So DFO South Wharf is a direct factory outlet here in Melbourne where you could score a bunch of deals like from luxury to outfits, any outfits, whether it's gym clothes, business attire, anything you can think of, it'll be there. DFO also has electronics, home furnitures, anything. So I'll take you guys with me there today and hopefully you'll enjoy this vlog. Hey guys, we're now here at DFO South Wharf. I'll take you guys with me today and let's hopefully we find lots of deals. Yeah, let's go! So guys, we're now here at DFO. So DFO stands for Direct Factory Outlet, and South Wharf is one of the biggest one in Melbourne with over 120 stores. You can find everything from designer brands to everyday essentials at all discounted price, guys. So this shopping center is actually a steal. So I'd highly recommend to check this mall first before you go like the mainstream ones. Well, I'll show you guys the prices later on. Come with me. Let's go. Guys, first stop we have Adidas. So like sneakers, activewear, you name it. So if you're a sneakerhead like me, you'll want to set aside some serious time here. So I'll show you guys some cool products that you can actually buy here. Let's see how much discounts they have. So they have 30% off discount today, guys. Alright, let's go. Guys, everything that I'm showing you is actually additional 30% off. Let's say for this top, this top is actually nice. So this one is actually, the original price is 55, the retail price, and if they sell it for 45 and there's an additional 30% off. So how much would that come down to? So I think that would go down to like 30-ish something dollars. To the shoe. Look at these shoes. So look at these shoes, guys. $85 for this pair of shoes. How much is that? If you, it's $85 Australian dollars, and if you convert that into peso, probably just around 3,000 pesos. The Superstar, it's only $89 as well, guys. Like 3,000 pesos, guys, for a shoe. I think that's definitely a steal. Oh, this one's nice. They also have this pair of shoes over here. Isn't that nice? They have that in red as well. For only $105. So if you convert that into peso, guys, ano lang yan, nasa 3,500, 3,600 pesos. That's definitely a steal. So they also have Stan Smith for $115. So they have heaps of shoes, variety of shoes. They're all like less than $100, $150. I think this is a good way to shop if you're gonna visit Melbourne. Then gusto nyo magpasalubong ng mga shoes sa mga family nyo. DFO is definitely let's head on to Nike. There's also Asics over here. There's Vans, New Balance, pretty much everything. Like everything if you can think of, like every of those famous shoe brand you can think of, they have it here at DFO. So we're here at Nike. So I'll show you guys some of collections they have, and let's see what sale they have. So they've got an offer for two for $50, like for tops. Let's see, t-shirts for $50. If you convert that into peso, guys, that's 1,800 pesos lang yan. So let's head on to the shoe section. Let's see what they have. So like running shoes, guys, a steal, definitely $100 na lang. And I think may additional 40% off. So magkano na lang yan? $60 if you buy this. So magkano na yung 1,700 pesos, 1,800 pesos, guys? But I guess since everyone's purchased, like, ubos na yung mga sizes. Yan. Like Nike and SB Heritage, ang ganda. For $70 lang, guys. Definitely a steal. Ito rin, ang ganda. Sometimes they have Jordan Zero as well. Kasi kung makakascore tayo, look, tingnan nyo yung dunks. Tingnan yung dunks, guys. Now, $130 na lang. And they have different colors too. So they have that color too. They have an orange. Ito rin. Tsaka itong sky blue. Ang ganda. 130 na lang. Jordans. Jordan 1. Guys, Jordan 1 low. For $170. That's literally a steal. Ayan o. Ganda. So there's the other Jordan here as well. Mid-cut ata to. This is nice. They also have Panda Dunks, pero in a suede type of feel. Shea leather. It's only for $140. And this is the navy one. Nice, right? Nice. And then there's one on the sides. They actually have a section where it's already on sale, but then there's an additional 50% off. But sometimes it's hard to find sizes for you, since it's just pretty much the last pair. Kunyari, although it's in order naman siya. Kunyari, size 9.5 ako. Actually, ang dumi-dumi na pala. Ito, ganda to. 10.5, guys. So, original price is $140. Pero, since additional siya, magiging 70 na lang. So ito, guys, mga naka-sale. So, yan siya. Kunyari, ito, $70 siya. So, kapag tinignan mo yung $70, $35 na lang siya. Kasi may additional 50 siya. Isn't there still? Meron din silang mga collection na iba. Pero, ito yung mga side na hindi siya discounted. Like, mga naka-full price siya. So, ito is $45, pero the price is not bad, di ba? Okay pa rin siya for its price. Ayan o. Like, ito yung mga regular na nakikita nyo na... Pero tingnan mo, original price na is $45 pag binili mo sa retail, pero dito, $35 na lang siya. Di ba? Okay pa rin na siya actually. $35 yung mga shorts. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys, pang running, pang workout, pang play ng sports. To $40. Kano itong top na to? $35 lang itong top na to, guys. Sa harap lang ng Nike, there's a Converse right across. Almost the same discount prices. But sometimes, ang Converse mismo nagsasale pa siya ng mas mababa. Like yung mga tops nila, they literally go on sale. You know, dito guys. I'll bring you guys around. So, meron din mga pang babies dito guys. Hindi ko masyadong napapakita yung mga pang kids, pero meron din mga pang kids everywhere. Even sa Nike, Adidas, meron doon guys. Hindi ko na napapakita, sorry. Yan. Sa buy one, sa pag bumili ka, yung second item is magiging 50% off. So they have bags, caps, t-shirts, jackets, singlets. Ito yung benta nila ngayon dito sa DFO Converse ngayong yan. So ngayong ano na to, April guys, end of April. Yan. So we'll go to the next store. We also have Puma here guys. May Puma rin sila dito. They're selling shoes for $2 for $100. And there's also Fila. So if you're just here purely for shoes, I highly recommend Platypus Outlet here in DFO. You know why guys? $50 shoes. Look. It's screaming out, buy me. Look, New Balances for $150. The retail price of that I think is around $180, $190, even $200 I think. Look. It's saying, buy me guys, buy me. I'll take you guys inside so you guys can have a browse. And, nice color. I don't know. It's $79. Guys, Vans for sale. 2 for $70. Diba? Hindi ba still yan? Kung meron lang dito, ano eh, yung speed. Gusto ko guys, pero marami dito ang Palermo guys. Pero wala yung OG color ng Palermo. Ayan. Pero ito parang maganda rin tong design na to guys. Ayan, di ba ang ganda rin niya? Pili ko $60 din to. $60 ata. Ganda oh. Chunky shoes. Bili ka sa chunky shoes, meron din dito chunky shoes. Ayan, ganda. $70 na lang. Ayan, ganda. Nung pumunta ako dito dati sa sa DFO, nagbebenta sila ng Samba sa Adidas. Magkano lang yun? Nasa 105 lang din ata. Sayang hindi ko nga binili. May magandang colorway sila dati. Hindi ko binili. Nag-regret ako yung blue ata yun. Sana nga binili ko na yun dati. No? Anyways, I'll take you guys to the next store. Para siyang Samba guys, diba? Na $79 lang. Adidas. Akala ko Samba. Ayan. Guys, diba sikat tong sapatos ngayon ng New Balance? Tingnan gaano kamura lang dito yan sa sa DFO. $79 guys. So $80. Round up natin, $80 lang guys. Pero magkano yung binibili sa sa mga retail store? Nasa 160 yata. 180 even mismo. Meron dito mga bentahan din ng mga bedsheet. Diyan, mga nakasale din yan guys. Everything I'm showing you guys, nakasale lahat yan. So walk tour ko muna kayo. I'll show you guys on what you guys can see here. May mga shaver shop. Basta anything you can think of, halos meron naman din dito sa DFO South Wharf. Ayan. Leather shoes, specs, glasses. Meron din yan. Nakasale din yan guys. And of course, cotton on. Nakasale lagi ang cotton on guys. Sobrang sale dyan. As in. Hi guys sa cotton on. Kita nyo guys, lahat dito puro red mark. You know, $10 guys. $10. $10. $10 guys. $10 sale yan, oh. Lahat yan guys, $10. $10. Polo shirts for summer outfit. Oh. Mukhang mapapabili ako ah. Gandang damit ngayon dito oh. So this is nice. Kung mapapabili ako, magkano to? 40. Pero itong mga ano, mga tawag dito, mga linen. Ito maganda to pang summer talaga linen no. Nasa $40 pa siya. $40 pa siya. Yan. Ito yung guys yung cotton nun sa men's side. Pero meron din syempre sa women's. Pakita ko lang na konti guys. Ano lang, montage. Nag-step out na ako ng cotton nun. Let's walk a bit more sa mga different shops. So pretty much itong DFO is pabilog lang siya eh. Iikutin mo lang siya. Madali lang naman siya guys. Hindi siya ganun nakakapagod. Meron din itong mga luggage na mga naka 50% off din. So, yun, may mga sale items na nothing over 30 guys. Converse nothing over 30. Yan mga pang girls. Mga shoes, boots. Yan guys. Peter Alexander guys, famous na sleepwear. And then there's also Tara Cashier guys. This is definitely a steal guys. I definitely recommend if you're a tourist in Melbourne and you wanna shop. I highly recommend visiting DFO first, yeah? And guys, papasok tayo sa Champion. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sale ng Champion ngayon. At yan ang merong collection sila ngayon. Itong winter jacket na puffer. Okay. Let's have a look. Anong collection meron sila ngayon guys? Sana may makita tayong maganda at para sumakses tayo guys. Parang ubusan na guys. Wala masyadong ganun kaganda guys. Oh, ito medyo maganda to. Kaso $40 pa siya. Medyo mahal pa siya. In my own eyes. Ayan. Ito may mga damit na $28. Ayan. Black. Shorts. Parang wala akong masyadong nabitan guys. Off to the next one. Isa sa mga favorite store ko is ang Levi's. So let's go inside Levi's. Let's see what they have. So they always have t-shirts on sale that is 40%. Marami pa ang sale dito kapag Christmas season. Nako guys, ang daming sale. Kung sale na yan, magsisale pa yan. So like doble yung mga discount. Ang ganda na ito oh. Denim na jacket. $160 guys. Di ko alam kung nakasale yan o hindi. Pero mukhang 40% off siya eh. Hey guys. This is me. Ayan, may mga hoodie rin siya guys. Magkano ang hoodie? Walang presyo yung hoodie guys. Ayaw nila pakita. 120. Medyo mahal guys. Backout tayo. Backout. Mahal yan, mahal. Pero alam ko naka-discount yan. Pero mahal pa rin sa akin. Kasi alam mo pag nasa DFO ka na, parang mas na-expect ko mas mura kasi nga discounted sila, discounted stores. Pero may Skechers. May Doc Martens guys. Yan. Sarap mamili dito guys kapag marami kayong dalang pera. Literally kasi daming sale. Tsaka kasi pumunta ako ngayong 4 o'clock, 4:20. Walang masyadong tao. Kaya mas mariling mamili. And it's not draining kasi kapag sobrang daming tao, nakakahilo. Sandahin mo mong kagitgitan. Pero kapag during peak season dito guys, mga Boxing Day, Christmas, New Year's Day, naku po, unahan dito guys, sobra. Alas 7 pala ng umaga guys, may pila na dito kasi ganun sila kabongga mag-sale as in. Tingnan natin itong mga pwede kong ipakita sa inyong store na meron pa sila. Ayan guys, so kapag kasi alam ko pag nirecho mo na to, itong area na to medyo pa-luxury brands na to eh. Medyo high-end na tong mga area na to eh. Ayan. May Havaianas dito guys. Havaianas 2 for 50 ang sleepers, nakikita ko agad eh no. And then may Kathmandu jacket guys. Maganda rin mamili ng Kathmandu jacket sa DFO kasi maganda rin sila mag-sale. Also this backpack jacket pang winter.
Pang kids lang ako eh.
Also guys, Adventure Mega Store. And of course, North Face. Hindi papatalo ang North Face guys. They have it here. Pero I always go there. Wala akong nabibili kasi ang mahal pa rin kahit discounted na. Hindi pa rin ako makabili dyan guys. Kaya sa Vietnam tayo bibili guys. Mas mura. Hindi kayo mamili. Dami nyo ng bit-bit. You may also take a break. Kasi may restaurant din dito. Ayan. May mga Japanese, Vietnamese, Thai. May mga... Pero guys, ang maganda rin dito kasi kapag nag-i-special sushi box sila, nagiging $12 na lang. Or naglalagay sila ng meal na for like a set, $10. May dalawang ulams, may kanin. Kapag regular price sa $15 ata. Okay guys, ito yata gusto lahat makita ng lahat. Mga luxury brands dito sa DFO. Tingnan natin kung anong sale nila ngayong April 2025. Ayan silang Furla dito guys. Hi guys, pasok tayo sa coach. So guys, ang sale na offer ngayon is buy one get 40% off. Pero if you buy or 2 or more items, magiging 50% off siya. So let's find a bag guys na maganda. May naayaw ko na bag dito last time. Hindi na nabalik yung collection na yun. Parang bomb bag na siya. Bomb bag. Sling bag in short. Ito guys, parang maganda rin to. Ayan. Or ganito guys. Kung makita yung presyo, tinatago nila yung presyo eh. Kailangan mga tatanungin eh. Ito yung sa women's guys.
That one you take it out from there. That one is men's one. Oh, yeah. And you take
Yan. Women's collection guys. So, ito $99 lang guys. A purse. Yan. Maganda pang pasalubong to sa Pilipinas. A Coach purse. Yan. Yan. Naka 40% off lang sila guys. Itong ganitong bago. Minsan ano to eh, ang sale nila is 40% off plus additional 20% off pa. Talagang minsan nagbubukbong ang sale nila. Pasok tayo guys. Sa Tommy Hilfiger. Yan. Kasi yan ang sale sila meron ngayon. So men's knitwear is 50% off original price. Kung original price is the original price 220, so 1/3 nasa 100, 100. Okay. Polos, parang mahal. Guys, nagsisale tong polo na to. 60 yan, di ba? Nagsisale yan, minsan lang yan, 30 o 40. Mahal nga eh. Minsan to 25 lang to. O minsan, 2 for 50. Oo nga, 225. Sweater guys, parang mahal eh. Ako rin itong puntahan itong Lacoste na to. One of the reasons kung bakit ko pumunta ng DFO kasi may gusto ako tingnan sa Lacoste ngayon. May nakikita ko kasi akong mga influencers na ang ganda ng nila ng bag, ng clutch bag nila. Hopefully they have it here para discounted price ako. Yung clutch bag na gusto guys. Ito na yung bag na, yun na yung mga bag nila guys, wala akong gusto. Ganito yun guys, oh. 65 pero blue siya. Itong Kate Spade guys, ayan o, 50% off store-wide plus an additional 20% off. So total is 70% off. Ayan. Tapos meron din itong Calvin Klein guys. And Armani. Yan, up to 50% off store-wide din siya. Tsaka itong Calvin Klein, up to 50% off din siya. Ayun na siya guys. Mukhang uuwi tayo ng luan guys, wala akong nabili ah. Ang last up natin guys is Ralph Lauren. Pasok tayo dito guys. So guys, ito lang sale nila is to $99. So naka-sale. Pero mukhang sabi $50 daw eh. Ito, 70. Tingnan natin guys, ano yung sale nila dito yung side na to. Kasi 119 lang. So guys, so $119. Roughly, nasaan yan? Magkano? Nasa 4,000 o 4,500 pesos. Meron sila mga tote bag guys, na cute. Kasang mahal guys. Sale price na yan na $179. Grabe. Ganda guys, oh. Magkano to? 215. Nick. 120 guys, oh. Guys, walang mababa sa 100 dito sa ano eh. Sa Ralph Lauren eh. Okay guys, exit na ako dito. Wala akong makikita dito ng ano. Ito na yung pinakamababa, $100. Okay guys, so magka-close na tong DFO South Wharf. Gagawin ko na lang is kakain na lang ako and then uuwi na rin ako soon. So it looks like I'm gonna have to end the vlog here guys. Sorry kung di kayo masyado napakita yung store like individually, like what's inside, pero at least na-grasp nyo kung ano yung ano yung takbo dito sa DFO, kung ano yung meron and stuff like that. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ciao!